choosing between Hulu Plus Live TV and YouTube TV, both offer live streaming, cloud DVR, and local channels, but which one gives you the best bang for your buck? Let's break down the key differences, pros, and cons. YouTube TV starts around $73 per month and offers over 100 channels, including local sports, entertainment. Hulu Plus Live TV is slightly pricier at $77, but bundles Disney Plus and ESPN Plus with around 90 live channels. If you want extra content outside of live TV, Hulu's package might edge ahead. YouTube TV leads in cloud DVR. It gives unlimited storage with recordings saved for up to 9 months, all at no extra cost. Hulu also offers unlimited DVR, but playback sometimes can feel clunky, especially with ads. In terms of stream quality, both support 1080p and live streams, but YouTube TV is often praised for its stability and smoother interface. YouTube TV's interface is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, with quick channel switching and personalized recommendations. Hulu's interface feels more content-heavy due to its demand library, which can make live TV feel secondary. Add-on options are strong on both platforms. Premium channels like HBO, Showtime, and sports packages are available, but YouTube TV offers more a la carte flexibility. Reddit users often lean towards YouTube TV for its performance and no-nonsense live TV experience. Hulu gets points for bundling, especially if you already use Disney Plus or ESPN Plus, but users also mention occasional bugs and ad-related issues. If your priority is flawless live TV, YouTube might win. For streaming variety in one place, Hulu makes a solid case. In the end, it comes down to what you value more, simplicity and live TV with YouTube, or more bundled content and a mix of live and on-demand with Hulu. Both are solid choices, but they suit different viewing habits. For more videos like this, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.